In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the file types Canva supports for uploads and imports. When you're working in Canva, one of the most helpful things to know is which types of files you can bring into your project. This makes it much easier to prepare your content in advance and avoid upload issues later. Canva supports a wide range of file formats across images, videos, audio, documents, and even animated graphics, which makes it a flexible tool for many different kinds of design work. Let's start with images. Canva supports common image formats like JPG and PNG, which are two of the most widely used file types for photos and graphics. JPG files are great for standard images and photographs, while PNG files are especially useful when you need higher quality graphics or transparent backgrounds. Canva also supports SVG files. These are vector files, which means they can be scaled up or down without losing quality. That makes SVGs a strong choice for logos, icons, and other graphic elements that need to stay sharp. Next, Canva also allows you to upload videos. MP4 and MOV are among the supported video formats, along with other compatible video file types. This is useful if you want to create presentations, social media content, promotional videos, or anything that includes motion. If you're importing video, it helps to make sure the file is fully exported and saved properly before uploading, especially if you want smooth playback inside your design. For audio, Canva supports MP3 and other supported audio files. This allows you to add music, voiceovers, sound effects, or background audio to your projects. If you're building a video presentation or animated design, having audio support can make your content feel much more polished and engaging. Canva also supports documents including PDF, docx, and PPTX files, which can be uploaded or imported. This is especially helpful if you already have existing content created in another program and want to reuse or redesign it inside Canva. For example, you might bring in a presentation, a document, or a printable file, and then customize the layout visually. Finally, Canva supports GIF files for animated content. GIFs are a quick and effective way to add movement, personality, and visual interest to a design without needing full video editing. They can work especially well in social posts, presentations, and digital graphics. Overall, Canva gives you support for many of the file types people use most often. Knowing this ahead of time can save you time, help you stay organized, and make your design process much smoother from the start.